I am very happy that JIS Institute of Advanced Studies and Research and mainly the Center for Interdisciplinary Sciences, they are going to organize on these very important topics, which is on 3D printing of the 3D bioprinting, that is the 3D printing of several biomedical tissues, the different types of skin, bone, vascular grafts and all.
This workshop means to me a lot for understanding how we connect our materials or our materials performance with 3D printing.
Bioprinting as an aspect of what I've been introduced to was not something that I had the knowledge of, hence the interest in joining the workshop. And I'm really happy to say that it was worth it.
3D printing is a technology which is going to change the way we see healthcare, we see the life around us. So basically I am also working in the field of bioprinting, and this particular workshop is going to help me in taking my research ahead.
After returning from this workshop, please keep the spirit of Karyashala and keep the spirit of Make in India.
I need to get the cylinders into the place such that they are at the edge of the shorter length of the cuboid. Okay, so I'll do that just by clicking and dragging these into place.
So by using this absorbance as well as fluorescence spectrometer, we can very easily measure the property of such kind of chromophore or fluorophore.
At real time, we have optimized the pressure at around 1.3, and if you can zoom into the printing happening, you can see the first layer is getting printed.
We are offering several PG course and also some small time or short term diploma certificate course on some advanced subjects like data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, polymer science and technology, biosensor, biomaterials, and in bioinformatics, molecular biology, genomics. You will reach your goal by the help of our faculty members who are very much advanced and very much experienced. So for making your career and for a bright career, you can definitely join this institute for your future endeavor.